Welcome back. I'm Walter Reed, and today we're going to look at basic AI navigation in Unity. I'll be showing how to make terrain walkable, how to make objects on the terrain impassable, and adding agents to our NPCs. Most of the work is done in the Unity IDE, but I'll also start with a script we'll be using to guide our NPCs with mouse clicks. Today's script will be called Player Move NPC, and we'll be using Unity Engine.ai. It will also take two public variables, a navigation mesh agent and the main camera. To keep this video short, I'm removing some of the basic error checking, but it's always good practice to either require the component NavMeshAgent above the class or to do a check for null components in the start method. This will go a long way to help debug when you have multiple agents on the screen. Just a reminder, this script and more are in the description below. In our update method, we'll be checking for a mouse down button click and creating an array based on where the user clicked. We'll then do a physics raycast check with our newly created ray and put its value in the hit variable. If the raycast is successful, we'll set the agent's setDestination method to that hit point. Now that the script is complete, we're back in the Unity IDE. We've already set the scene with a floor and some walls. I've also created a cube which will act as our agent. The first thing we'll want to do is add a component to our wall objects called NavMeshObstacle. Second, we'll want to add a component NavMeshAgent to our cube. Third, we want to select our floor object and open the navigation window. You can find that in the Window AI Navigation dropdown at the top of the screen. We want to make sure that the navigation static is selected, and for our floor object, navigation area is set to walkable. We also want to go to the Bake panel and select the Bake button below. The floor should now have a transparent layer covering it. We should also check our walls to make sure that they are listed as not walkable in the navigation area. Finally, we move the Player Move NPC script to the cube object and drag the main camera to the cam variable. We also drag the NavMeshAgent component to the agent variable. Just for fun, let's add a few more cubes to the scene. I think that's enough. Let's play and see how we did. It looks great. As always, I hope you found this useful, and you can find the source code at the bottom of this video in the description. If you did, please consider telling me in the comments, and like and subscribe to see more videos like this in the future. Have a great day, and as always, keep playing.